Have you ever felt the burning need to get back at someone who wronged you? What if I told you there's a far more powerful revenge that has nothing to do with anger, bitterness, or revenge itself? Stick with me, and I'll show you the ultimate revenge that's rooted in ancient wisdom, one that will not only free you, but make you a better person in the process. You see, when someone hurts you, there's a natural urge to get even, to show them they've made a mistake. But here's where the Stoic philosophy steps in. Stoicism teaches us that revenge is not about paying someone back. It's about taking control of your reaction. Marcus Aurelius, one of the most powerful Stoic philosophers, once said, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." And what does that mean? It means that instead of matching negativity with negativity, you elevate yourself. You rise above. The first step in this Stoic revenge is mastering your emotions. When someone hurts you, your immediate instinct is to lash out, to scream, to punish. But that's exactly what they want to drag you into, their level of chaos. Stoicism teaches us to control our responses and not let someone's negative actions dictate our happiness or peace of mind. Think about it. By staying calm, by refusing to let their hurtful actions disturb your inner peace, you already have the upper hand. The second step, compassion. It may sound counterintuitive, but the best revenge is understanding why they hurt you. What if their actions come from their own pain, insecurities, or ignorance? What if by showing empathy you break the cycle of hatred and negativity? Stoics believe that a true display of power is found in showing kindness even when you're hurt. This doesn't mean accepting their behavior. It means recognizing that their actions are a reflection of their internal struggles, not a personal attack on you. Another key part of Stoic revenge is the idea of time. You may think that by confronting or avenging yourself, you'll find closure. But in reality, time is the true healer. By allowing yourself space to heal, you detach yourself from the drama, as Epictetus put it. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it. That matters when you refuse to stay consumed by what others did to you. You let go of their control over your life. Now here's the kicker. The best revenge is not only in how you react, it's in how you become. After the incident, Stoicism teaches that every challenge, every moment of suffering is an opportunity for growth. Instead of letting an insult or betrayal destroy you, use it to become stronger, wiser, and more self-aware. Take this experience and transform it into fuel for your personal development. That way, the person who hurt you won't even have a chance to affect you. In the long run, you'll be too busy becoming a better version of yourself. In the end, the most profound revenge isn't found in getting back at others, but in choosing not to let them control your peace. It's in proving that their actions do not define you or your worth. This is the secret weapon the Stoics have left for us. Rise above. Do not let your adversaries see you fall, but instead let them see you grow. That, my friend, is the ultimate revenge, living well and unbothered by their cruelty. So next time someone tries to hurt you, remember your silence, your calm, and your growth are the best weapons you can wield. So what's your takeaway from this? How will you handle the next person who hurts you? Will you fight back in the way they expect? Or will you choose the Stoic path and rise above? Remember, true strength lies not in retaliation, but in your ability to transcend. Stay wise, stay calm, and let the best revenge be your growth.